I don't know what you heard about me.
FMG feat Bara, being the Queen and the Zone T team.
I don't know what you heard about me, but if you can't get a dollar out of me, no Cadillac, no perks you can't see, then I'm a motherfucking P.I.A. I don't know what you heard about me, but if you can't get a dollar out of me, no Cadillac, no perks you can't see, then I'm a motherfucking P.I.A. I'm about my money, you see, girl, you can holler at me. If you fucking with me, I'm up to get everything. Now what you see on TV, no Cadillac, no greasy. Hit for the head, bitch, I'm up here, everything. Come get money with me, if you give me to see how it feels to be. Let me out everything over that bitch with me. You can watch the TV, that's me, my TV, I'm up here,
Welcome to the Zone T team.
I don't know what you heard about me, but if you can't get a dollar out of me, no Cadillac, no perms you can't see, then I'm a motherfucking P.I.A. I don't know what you heard about me, but if you can't get a dollar out of me, no Cadillac, no perms you can't see, then I'm a motherfucking P.I.A. I don't know what you heard about me, but if you can't get a dollar out of me, no Cadillac, no perms you can't see, then I'm a motherfucking P.I.A.
Please welcome to FMG on the mix.
I don't know what you heard about me.